morning, kids. Today's question is, can sculptures last forever? To work on this part, it is important to know the meaning of these words. To have a better idea about the topic, it is important for you to visit the key Monuments of Time. Remember, this is week 5. Then, if you go to your learning log, it is page 123. The first part is about static sculptures, examples, the Angel of Independence and the Statue of Liberty. And I also added Tlaloc. Then you're going to answer 2 questions in part 1. Then you will find information about the Olmec stones and some sculptures you may find in Hidalgo. Well, remember, those are examples of static sculptures outdoors. Yes, the ones that, because of the size, they must be outside. Then you will find information about small static sculptures, the ones you find indoor spaces, the ones you may have inside a house or inside a place. Now your activity 1 is about the static sculptures you know and if you consider they should be static. Then we're going to find the classification of the sculptures according to the relief. The first one is the high relief. It is when the shape completely stands out from the surface or from the wall. If you can look at these examples, you can see that the sculptures are completely outside of the walls. Now the mid relief, it's when only half of the shape's thickness is out of the wall or the surface. As you can see, this example, the one leg and the middle part of the elephant is outside and the half of the elephant is inside of the sculpture. Now the low relief is when less than half of the shape's thickness is out of the sculpture. So you can only feel the texture of each sculpture. That means if you touch a sculpture, you can feel it with the tip of your fingers. As you can see in these images, as an example, imagine that you touch the sculptures. How would you feel these examples of sculptures? And well, the coins are a clear example of low relief. Well, in the last part of this book, you will find an example in a picture where you need to find the 3 examples of the classification of relief. According to the information we have about the 3 reliefs, now you will answer activity number 2. Okay, on part 3, you are going to design a sculpture, and first you need to decide the emotion or feeling you want to represent. Then you're going to make a sketch, that means a drawing about your sculpture. How do you want to represent it? Remember to consider a topic, a special topic, and the reliefs. Then, on part 4, you are going to use modeling clay to make your sculpture. You may use materials you have at home, or in here I have a recipe about how to make a homemade clay. Well, remember, I'll see you later in a Zoom meeting.